cat with towers tall. Lived Piku the pigeon, great and small. He flapped his wings with all his might, and dreamed of flying far from sight. One day he said, I'll see the sea and meet new birds just like me. He told his friends, but they just laughed. A sea that's far, you feel the draft. But Piku packed some seeds and bread, and off he flew ahead. Over parks and trains he soared, past every roof and every board. A sparrow near a tree, who said, this sea is where I'd be. They flew together side by side, chasing clouds with wings so wide.
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel,
At last they reached the ocean blue, with sparkling waves and skies so true. Peek-a-coo, it's just like dreams. The wind, the waves, the sun that beams. He stayed a while, then said goodbye, with one last look at sea and sky. Back to the city, proud and bright, he shared his tale with pure delight. Now all the pigeons gather round, when Piku's stories start to sound. They flap their wings and cheer with glee for Piku the brave who saw the sea.
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ilmi Noor.